Lesson 9. In this lesson, you will learn one of the most useful tricks in the Malagasy language. With just one small change to a verb, you can talk about now, the past, or the future. Once you learn this pattern, you will be able to use every verb you already know in 3 different times. Listen first, and then we will practice.
Miinanaw. Ninanaw. Inanaw.
Did you notice the small change at the beginning of the verb? That tiny change is what tells the listener if you are eating now, if you ate before, or if you will eat later.
Here is the trick. In Malagasy, most verbs begin with one of 3 letters that tell you the time. The whole secret is M is now, N is before, H is later.
Let us try it with a verb you already know. The Malagasy word for to eat is
Miinana.
It starts with M, so it is in the present. Listen and repeat.
Miinana. Miinana.
So to say I am eating, you say
Miinanaw.
Listen and repeat.
Miinanaw. Miinanaw.
Now, to talk about the past, change the M to N, so
Miinana.
becomes.
Miinana.
Listen and repeat.
Niinana. Niinana.
So to say I ate, you say
Ninanaw.
listen and repeat.
Ninanaw. Ninanaw.
and for the future, change the M to H. So
Miinana.
becomes
Iinana.
Listen and repeat.
Hiinana. Hiinana.
So to say I will eat, you say
Inanaw.
Listen and repeat.
Inanaw. Inanaw.
Now, how do you say I ate?
Ninanaw.
And how do you say I will eat?
Inanaw.
Excellent. Now let us try the same trick with another verb you know. The word for to go is
Mande.
It starts with M, so it is the present. Listen and repeat.
Mandea. Mandea.
To say I went, change the M to N, so you say
Nandeaw.
Listen and repeat.
Nandeaw. Nandeaw.
And to say I will go, change the M to H, so you say
Andeaw.
Listen and repeat.
Andeaw. Andeaw.
Now, how do you say I went?
Nandeaw.
And how do you say I will go?
Andeaw.
Let us try another. The word for to work is
Miasa.
How do you say I worked? Remember, change the M to N.
Niasaw.
And how do you say I will work? Change the M to H.
Yasaw.
Wonderful. Now let us learn one more new verb. The Malagasy word for to sleep is
Matori.
Listen and repeat.
Matori. Matori.
So to say I am sleeping, you say.
Material.
Listen and repeat.
Material. Material.
Now, using the same trick, how do you say I slept?
Natural.
And how do you say I will sleep?
Material.
Excellent. You see how the trick works with any verb. Let us try one more. The word for to speak is
Miteni.
How do you say I spoke?
Niteniao.
And how do you say I will speak?
Iteniao.
wonderful. Now it is time for a small quiz. Listen to each English sentence and say the Malagasy out loud during the pause. Take your time and remember the trick. M is now, N is before, H is later. First question, how do you say I went?
Nandeao.
Second question, how do you say I am eating?
Minanao.
Third question, how do you say I will sleep?
Hatoriao.
Excellent. Let us review the trick one more time. What letter means now?
M.
What letter means before?
N.
And what letter means later? H.
Wonderful. Now you can take any verb you know in Malagasy and use it in the past, the present, or the future, just by changing the first letter. This one small trick will let you say hundreds of new sentences. See you in the next lesson.